If you're a pool owner, then you know how difficult it is to keep a pool clean. I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found something that makes cleaning my pool a whole lot easier. This pool vacuum from Sepetrel comes with a heavy-duty flexible rolling vacuum and a kink-free hose that's flexible and durable. I wanted to compare this to my current vacuum, and I gotta tell you, I enjoy using this one a whole lot more. The thing I loved most about it is that with just the twist of the handle, I was able to easily maneuver along the floor of my pool. It handled everything so well, and I love the flexible sides. I was able to get in the corners and even along the walls. It sucked up dirt, leaves, sticks, and bugs, and thanks to the thunderstorm that just rolled through, there was plenty for it to clean. I love how easy everything hooked up. I took it out of the box and I had it cleaning my pool in about 5 minutes. The wheels roll smoothly, and I love the super long hose. I was able to reach across my whole pool with no problems. This is lightweight, and I wasn't worried about it harming the liner, and it was very easy to take in and out of the pool. So if you're ready to upgrade your pool vacuum, then I think you should check this out, and that's my point of view.